On the eve of the 40th anniversary of the Supreme Court case that legalized abortion, Governor Rick Perry released this statement. He said, quote, "Roe v. Wade paved the way for the loss of more than 54 million innocent lives, with more than 1 million added to that total with each passing year." When talking about Texas laws, he added, quote, "We will continue working to empower families and protect our children's future. Until the day, abortion is nothing more than a tragic footnote in our nation's history." Well, speculation has it that the governor will push a fetal pain bill as an emergency item. That bill would attempt to bar abortions after 20 weeks of pregnancy when the fetus can feel pain. In 2011, Perry's emergency sonogram bill required women getting abortions to get a sonogram before having that procedure. In response to Perry's statement, State Representative Donna Howard issued this statement today. She says, quote, "It's unfortunate that discussions about women's health services, which are effective in preventing abortions, have become so polarizing. We're losing sight of the serious health consequences and fiscal costs that result from a lack of access to medical screenings, contraception, and treatment." A clear example of the abortion fight is the funding to Planned Parenthood. Just this month, the state cut off money to the organization through the state women's health program. Planned Parenthood is known for providing health services such as abortions to poor and low-income women. Several health clinics could shut down. This matter is currently in the court system.